It's pretty impressive when you think that respectfully for 100 years, two families have been not just fed here, but fruitfully fed.
My dad, uncles, brothers, brother-in-laws, nephews. It's a lot of family history.
I'm a fourth-generation employee here at the mill. It gives you a sense of pride knowing that there's been so many generations before you, you're following in the footsteps, and the mill helped support our families for so long, and now kind of helping on the other side, helping support the mill and keep even future generations being able to work in the paper industry and keep it striving.
The caringness, the love for making that product at the end of the day. And to know that you satisfy the customer and your family over generations will prosper.
Being able to work through new challenges and new problems with them every day is kind of what keeps me going every morning.